In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore QuickBooks Backup. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to look out for so you can confidently bring your books back to a previous point in time. First, open your browser and go to QuickBooks. Sign into the company you want to work with. It's important to make sure you're in the correct company file before you start, because the restore will affect that specific company's data. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner for the settings gear icon and click it. This is the central hub for account and company tools. If you don't immediately see the option you need in the next step, it usually means your user role doesn't have the right permissions, so keep that in mind. From the settings menu, choose Backup Company. You'll need to be an admin or have the appropriate access to view this. If it's missing, check your user permissions with your company's admin or verify your plan supports backup and restore. Inside the backup area, you'll notice two key parts: a backup category and a backup list. Think of the category as a way to organize or filter what you're seeing, and the list as your timeline of restore points. Each backup typically includes a timestamp and other details, which helps you pick the moment you want to return to. Take a second here to match the date of the backup with when things were still correct in your books. Next, use the drop-down menu next to the backup you want to restore. Click it to reveal your available actions. This is where you can review the backup details to make sure you've selected the right restore point. If you're unsure, compare transaction dates or recent changes to confirm this is the snapshot you need. Now click Restore to start the process. QuickBooks will prompt you to confirm and may display a warning that restoring can overwrite current data. Read the message carefully. If you've made recent changes you still need, consider noting or exporting key reports first so you can reference them later. When you're ready, confirm to begin the restore. The system will process the backup and apply it to your company file. Depending on the size of your data, this can take a few moments. Don't close your browser or navigate away while it's running. When the restore completes, QuickBooks will refresh. Take a minute to spot check critical areas like your bank register, invoices, and recent transactions to make sure the data matches your expectations. If something doesn't look right, you can repeat the process and choose a different restore point. That's it. You've restored your QuickBooks backup safely and efficiently.